Cancer. I'm Anisha. To know more about my work, you may visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. For those of you who are seeking deeper clarity, be it in your love lives or your career, for a personal consultation, you may write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. A very, very happy birthday, Cancerians. I really pray and wish you one of the most spectacular years. May you have all your dreams manifest. It's going to be a super active planetary month, Cancerians. So we already have Mars that has been retrograde since last month, and it is so till about end of August. And then we have Mercury that is going retrograde around the 27th of July, and we have 2 eclipses this month. So the tip for the month is, it's really the flavor of change. July, you just need to be letting things go the way that they are organically. Try not to manipulate things into a certain way that you would like them to. Try not to get really frustrated and annoyed with people who are constantly changing their mind and changing decisions. Cut some slack on yourself as well when you are changing your mind and changing your decisions as well. It's a month where rigidity and stubbornness is not going to work, Cancerians. You will just have to you'll just have to allow people to be, and you will also have to give yourself the permission to stay fluid. It's extremely important. On the 10th, we have Venus, and she's moving into your house of communication, sibling, and short distance travel. And Venus is all about harmony. She's about balance. She's about love. She's also about money. And she's speaking about a time wherein it's a lovely time to make harmonious relationship. Communication is going to be quite easy. So negotiations, maybe dealing with people, networking, making more friends, maybe dealing with colleagues at work. All of this is highlighted, and because Venus is in play, it will allow you to have those harmonious conversations with them. On the 12th, we have a solar eclipse, and this is happening in your own house, Cancerians. It's your birthday month, and it's joining Sun over there. And this is it's literally like a new you. It's like you've shed off the old skin, you're wearing this new skin, but it goes more deeper than that. It's of you adopting a new identity. It's about being a new you, and all the, I would say, not the lessons, but the learnings that you've had so far. This is really a time to be really imbibing and implementing them. Some of you could be even going in for a complete makeover. Your wardrobe, the way that you look, you could be adding more. Some of you could be maybe moving a couple of notches above. Maybe a salary increase has been there, so you are just stocking up on a lot of lovely stuff. But importantly, I think while the physical makeover and everything will be happening, it's the mental attitude. It's your mental makeup that also requires some amount of work, Cancerians. Have a look at your patterns as to how it is that you view things around you, and specifically what is it that they mean to you, because this is all about you, your thoughts, your values, how it is that you process them. Maybe there is a lot of rigidity which is not required. People are people. I mean, you can't say that, oh, I have experienced this and I'm not going to be trying it, or I'm not going to be cutting that person's slack. But this is really a time of accepting and adjusting to the fact that people are people, and you need to be moving accordingly. Everyone is maybe not going to be moving or working as per your values and convictions and beliefs, which is all right. And from your perspective, your belief system may be the correct one, but this is also a time to be viewing at different thought processes, perspectives, looking at things with harmony, with a balance in mind. On the 23rd, we have Sun that moves into your house of money. It's a lovely time. It's a Great time to be earning more money. Your work seems to be looking good, hence your ability to earn more money, generate more money for yourself looks really promising. It's also bringing out and increasing your self-worth, your self-esteem. So there's a sense of achievement and patting yourself on the back and saying, oh, I'm doing so well, I'm able to earn this money, I'm able to do this on my own. Sun also speaks about lightness. This speaks about bringing out that child in you and being a little playful. Don't get so caught up with the ticking the boxes and crossing the T's and dotting the I's that you forget to have fun along the way. However, try and finish all your contracts and negotiations and your paperwork before the 27th, because that is the time when Mercury is going to be going retrograde. So be careful over there. On the 27th, we have Mercury, and it goes retrograde till about 20th of August, and it's happening in your house of money. So it's a great time to reevaluate, reassess, retweak, look at the plans that are there, taxes, insurances, maybe get in touch with an accountant or a tax planner, and to see as to how it is that the money needs to be planned or saved, or maybe better EMIs, rentals. Everything needs to be looked at this point of time. We also have a full moon lunar eclipse that is happening on the same day, and this is happening in your house of joint finances, resources, sexuality, intimacy, and it is also the house of transformation. So very important because this has to do with partnership, it has to do with power play. It's nice when things are in harmony with partners, but it's very important not to play the power game with partners. At least not on a regular basis. Try and see that there is harmony as far as collaborations are concerned, as far as partners are there at business. Try and share information. Be in that place where you're not someone who's like really holding on to the information and wanting the credit for yourself and being too possessive about your work. Try and keep jealousy and possessiveness at bay, Cancer, and specifically as far as work is concerned, working partners are concerned. It's a time also of collaborations, which will do really well. It's a time of deepening your understanding about maybe a certain relationship, about bonding with that person, about intimacy, about sexuality. It's also a great time for those of you who could be interested in esoteric subjects, astrology or tarot, Reiki. And even for those of you who have been feeling the need to go and visit a counselor, or maybe speak your heart out to someone, I think it's a great time to be doing that as well. In some cases, your partner's finances get increased, and you could benefit from that. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Cancerians. Have a lovely birthday month. I wish you the best, and I'll see you soon next month. Thank you so much for watching.